Aussie driving is on the verge of a revolutionary shift, almost overnight. Australian Tesla owners are about to experience a dramatic leap forward in driving technology, thanks to the arrival of advanced self-driving features. Though, of course, human oversight remains crucial. But here's where it gets controversial. How much control should a human really retain when the car is capable of driving itself? Recently, a new video surfaced online that gives a tantalizing glimpse into Tesla's latest, most cutting-edge driving technology navigating Australian roads. Shared by the lifestyle platform Man of Many and narrated by journalist Ben McKim, the footage teases a secret Tesla feature heading to Australia soon, hinting strongly at the imminent arrival of Tesla's full self-driving FSD system for local drivers. The video shows a Tesla smoothly executing lane changes, decelerating for traffic, and handling curves, all without the driver touching the wheel. It signals as promptly as a human driver, McKim explains, and reacts just as fast or faster than your own thoughts. Tesla Owners Australia Facebook members are buzzing with excitement, expressing hopes that what they're seeing is indeed FSD. Comments like, "Dying for it to be FSD," "Hopefully FSD," and "It's obviously FSD since they've been testing in Sydney and Melbourne," highlight this growing anticipation. But what exactly makes full self-driving so different from the usual adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping features many Australians already know? According to Tesla Australia, FSD, though still supervised by the driver, utilizes a comprehensive 360-degree array of cameras to monitor blind spots. The system can not only switch lanes but also maintain speed while smartly avoiding obstacles like bikes, motorcycles, and other vehicles. Internationally, Tesla users have reported the technology's impressive ability to navigate complex city intersections, traffic lights, and multi-lane highways. Still, Tesla emphasizes it requires constant human supervision. This isn't a fully autonomous system yet. McKim's first-hand account captures the technology's human-like intuition perfectly. As soon as I decide it's time to move to the right lane, the car instantly makes that move. It's incredibly impressive. A new era dawns for Australian roads. This isn't Tesla's first demonstration of such tech on home turf. Earlier this year, Tesla released footage of a Model 3 autonomously cruising Melbourne's central business district without any driver input. A couple of months later, similar demonstrations appeared in Sydney. Now, Man of Many's latest video further strengthens hopes that Australia could be among the first markets with right-hand drive vehicles equipped with Tesla's sophisticated FSD software. Tesla confirmed to news.com.au earlier this year that FSD is on its way to Australia, adding that there are currently no legal obstacles preventing its launch. According to Tesla's Australian country director, Tom Drew, there are no regulatory blockers here, unlike in North America. We are actively working to release the technology, though we don't have a firm timeline yet. It's exciting to bring such innovation to a market free of regulatory barriers. By Australian and Tesla standards, FSD Supervised is categorized as a Level 2 Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS. This means the driver must remain attentive at all times, keeping their eyes on the road and hands near or on the wheel. Tesla's website is clear. Certain countries do not permit hands-off use of FSD Supervised. Always adhere to local laws. In essence, the technology shares its legal standing with traditional cruise control, even though it's exponentially more advanced. But here's a bold question worth debating. Is Tesla stretching the truth by calling this full self-driving when it still demands significant human control? McKim thinks so, calling it a bit cheeky. Whether or not you agree with that interpretation, one thing is undeniable. Once FSD becomes widely available in Australia, it has the potential to transform the daily driving experience overnight. James Max Smith, a seasoned journalist with over 2 decades of experience covering news, sports, lifestyle, and real estate, contributed this report. So what do you think? Are we ready to hand over more control to machines behind the wheel? or should we be cautious about this bold leap into autonomy? Share your thoughts, agree or disagree in the comments below.